What's up, bro? Oh my god, dude.
What took you so long?
What's up, dude? Nice to finally meet you.
Yeah,
Nick.
real, nice to meet you. I was like, I'm not gonna start, I'm wait for him first.
What's up, dude? Damn, you got a whole camera crew right here. What's up, bro? Nick, nice to meet you. Oh my god.
Making the bro, LA is honestly beautiful.
You love it?
This is honestly like the second time I ever.
Where'd you come from again?
Sac.
Oh shoot, Sacramento, dude. How long was that drive?
It was like 6.5.
Oh my, and you drove this all the way.
What do you think?
I love it, dude. I love the color, bro. It's beautiful, dude.
Thanks,
I can't believe that, bro. We'll talk more about it right now, but what's up, guys? They're watching another video. As you can see, we're at the car wash. So there's a lot of BMWs in town. Tomorrow is Beemerfest 2019. That's why there's so many BMWs coming from up north, down south, other states. It's freaking crazy. This is a homie. He came from Sacramento, which is a super long drive. I would never make that drive, I think. That's way too long for me. So he came into town and we thought we'd meet up, make a cool little video for you guys. And his car is actually very interesting. I want to talk to you guys about it. This car was once wrecked, completely like totaled. I don't know how. I don't even know. We'll talk to him more about it, but I'll put a picture in right here, how it used to look. And look who else is in town, bro. The homies. Hugo. My homie Daniel. Thank you.
The way it sounds in person too.
You like it or what?
I love it.
So Hugo came down. I thought you guys probably remember him from like a couple videos ago when he came down.
You got the ticket?
And we got a ticket on the beach. Oh yeah, that was with you. So in that video where we got a ticket on the beach and Amsa got his car towed, Hugo's with us. And he's back for Beemerfest.
Now I'm seeing this. You guys gotta come and see this car in person.
Yeah, Beemerfest. Hopefully a lot of you guys came and look at the car. But this thing is beautiful, dude. Oh, it makes me miss my E92, bro. I hope it gets done. Guys, Beemerfest is tomorrow, probably in like less than 12 hours. And I don't even have my car yet. We're cutting it close. So again, shout out to 412 Motorsports for helping me get it done before Beemerfest. I hope it's done. All right, well, enough talking. Let's get this car washed because it's super dirty. Well, that's the best it's gonna look. We're probably gonna come back to a car wash and wash it tonight for tomorrow for Beemerfest. For now, I think that's good. Just to make a cool little video with it. Okay, I told the vlog how this used to be wrecked, bro.
Oh yeah.
That is insane. What did you do, bro? I wanna know everything you've done. I'll put a picture right here how it used to look. It came from nothing to this. I don't even understand how he did it, but
Basically a lot of sweat, tears, crying, my mom yelling at me, and all that good stuff because I couldn't get out of the garage. But yeah, I mean,
dude, like it has a front end now. Like
yeah,
what?
Exactly. Honestly,
That's insane, dude.
Got a few blemishes, but if I didn't, hopefully you wouldn't have noticed it.
I can't notice anything, bro. It looks perfect. I love the color too.
Thanks, man.
Guys, I actually thought about doing that too. After I saw you do it,
Rebuilding?
I almost did it,
It's
bro.
honestly fun.
I want to do it one day. If you guys think we should do that, comment down below. And what car you guys think I should buy that's all wrecked? I think that'll be a sick series.
4673?
Yep.
Are people wanting 4673?
I know, maybe. All right, guys, so I don't know what we're gonna do today, but he came through. These guys came through, so we gotta figure something out. I think we're gonna go to this little street that I always go to where there's no cops and no cars, and maybe do a little race. He wants to race the E36 and his E92. Maybe I could keep up. And then possibly even drive his car. His car is stick. I've never driven a manual E92, which will be pretty fun to try. Bro, I love that color. It's so clean. Whoa. I'm not keeping up with that. I want to do that color now. That's literally exactly how my car will look. All right, guys, made it to the famous little street that I always come to. You guys have seen this street in many of my vlogs. Sick ass food. Is that a 350Z? So what I think we're gonna do is drive each other's cars. Like I said, I've never driven a manual transmission E92, so it should be fun. And I don't think he's ever driven an E36. All right, Nor. I'm scared, bro.
Yeah, don't be scared.
Are you sure?
It's fully insured. Oh, damn, okay. I can do it.
Hey, you can do
This is gonna be so hard, man.
Guys, he's only both cameras, my camera and his.
No, yeah, for sure.
But we'll make it work. Oh my God, we're doing it.
Dude, good stuff, honestly. Why don't you drop my camera out the window? Oh, right on.
Oh my God.
You're good, dude.
Dude, it's so much different. Like, I've only driven my E36 and stick. That's it. So, it's so much different compared to that. You'll see. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll be on your way right now. I promise.
Oh my.
I'm sorry. We're blocking the whole road. All right, we're back.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord.
Okay,
Oh my god, that's insane.
Well, that was fun.
Oh my god, this is like tracked out.
Yeah, it was like a little race car, huh?
Dude, honestly, I've never been in like a modified car, like at all.
recording.
This is like, what year is this?
97.
I think this came out in 97, you know?
It's really nice.
And it's so clean, dude.
What do you want? Ooh. Oh my god, dude.
Well, Nick was test driving the E92. He had it parked out there, and I was just staring at the car. And honestly, I want one. But it looks so nice with the steering wheel, with everything, the rims, everything. Like, I don't know. I'm just in love with the car, honestly.
That's too fast, bro. He's not stepping on it. I'm catching up, dude.
That was actually pretty clean.
We are back at the car wash again. It's probably only been like a couple of clips since the last one, but we're back at the car wash. Now we gotta get in a full, like, real car wash. But this time I gotta take my time because tomorrow's Beemerfest. A lot of people are gonna see the car. So I'm gonna wash it real quick and then go park it in the garage. This shit looks hella clean. Super freaking clean. Look how shiny that thing looks. We got the insides all vacuumed. It's gonna look good. I'm hyped. But I'm still stressing out because I haven't even watched the E92. It's not even, I don't even have the E92 yet. It's still at the shop, but I'm waiting for them to call me. As soon as they call me, I'm gonna go pick it up, whether it's tonight or tomorrow morning. And then somehow try to figure out how to wash it before Beemerfest. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna make it happen somehow. Look where we are. 412 Motorsports. It's about 10 p.m. right now, and the car is finally done. I'm hyped. Look at this lineup.
Check out
My baby, dude. What's up, Joseph?
Just don't touch it.
How are you, bro? I won't.
No, yeah, it's programming.
Was it a pain in the ass? You cleaned it.
You hold on,
Bro, it looks beautiful. What is that? The old transmission?
Yeah.
Damn, who wants it?
Garbage.
That's crazy. I haven't seen your car. You guys remember this from the last video? Oh my. It looks amazing. Dude, it looks so good. That's so sick.
That's mine right there.
This is how he drives, guys.
But if I have to,
Bro, you're gonna break your lip that you just put on.
I can go, I can take it up if I want.
Monster truck, bro. That's how I drive. I literally drive with that.
And look the back.
Ooh, 4 CS's.
I'll show you that last.
They're literally twinning. They just bought these. They're about to take on the Beemerfest tomorrow.
And then when you open it, I love that, bro.
What? I didn't see that. That's insane. Bro. That's insane, dude. I want that. How do I get those? Dude, that's so crazy. It comes like this.
No handrest.
That's sick, dude.
Like that.
That's insane, bro. That is.
Oh, the carbon fiber hood.
Car's all clean too, so I don't have to go wash it. Well, the car's doing some crazy stuff. Right now they're getting it all programmed. I guess with the new transmission, it has to get all these new programs and stuff. Bro, it has a mind of its own. Look at this. We're just programming it, and then I think we're good. Oh my. Sounds crazy. Bro, that thing sounds so sick. This thing is a monster, bro. Louder one. It's alive. Finally, guys. I'm so freaking hyped right now. I haven't drove it yet, but they said it drives really nice now. Oh my god. So freaking god. time to test drive it. I think we're back in business. It's nice on. Got my car back, bro. I'm freaking so hyped. Yup. Oh, so far so good. Everything feels really nice. Woo-hoo-hoo. I think we're back, bro. I think we're back. I love this car, bro. I think it feels better than ever, bro. I love it. I mean, I feel nothing, dude. Like, it feels so smooth. This is crazy. Well, guys, we test drove it a few more times. He test drove it a few more times. And we're out of here. It's 12:49. I think we're going to Beemerfest at 7 in the morning. Are you gonna wake up, dog? I don't know if any of us are gonna wake up, but tomorrow's Beemerfest. We got the car literally the day of Beemerfest since it's midnight. Both the cars back in the garage. We got the E36 M3, the E92 M3. Finally, the E92's back. I'm so freaking hyped. 2 in the morning. We have to wake up at 7 in the morning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 5 hours of sleep and a super long day tomorrow. Again, huge shout out to 412 Motorsports. Make sure you guys go follow them. They took care of it and it honestly feels better than it's ever have. I'm super tired, so I'm gonna end the vlog right there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the like button. Subscribe to your boy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga